Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to update your shipping location on AliExpress, here's how to change your delivery address in just a few easy taps. First, open the AliExpress app, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right. And here, find this option called shipping address. And here you can either edit your current address by tapping the pencil icon or tap add new address. You can also delete your previous address by tapping and holding onto it and tap delete. Let's edit our previous address for now. Tap edit. Now from here, tap on this address field and simply remove the old info and fill in your new delivery information and make sure it's accurate. Once done, tap save and done. Your delivery address will be updated. Also, you can't change the address for orders that are already placed. Always update it before checkout. Now your packages will arrive at the right place. Like, comment and subscribe for more helpful app hacks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.